my name is Giselle and welcome back to my YouTube Music Foundation YouTube videos. Today I will be discussing on legato, which is the complete opposite of staccato if you watched my previous video. So with staccato we heard that the notes were short and choppy. Legato is connecting one note to the other note to play nice and smoothly to create a beautiful phrase. If you hear the difference, let me know if this is legato or staccato. Let me know if this is staccato or legato. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Please subscribe. Bye.